it's Gina with WTI, and when I need to take my passport with me when I travel, I want to make sure that I have a holder that is going to keep it very secure in place with room for other items, but also something that is adorable. Okay, let's face it, that really is the main reason that I got this passport holder from WALNEW. It has a series of adorable fat cats on it, and when I can't take my little fur baby with me on vacation, I can have this passport holder with me to remind me of her. It perfectly embodies her attitude, especially the one that says nope. Now, on a technical side, this is lightly padded, which I really like because if you do have credit cards or other items in it, like a SIM card, you're going to want that to be protected, and this will help with that for sure. It also has a nice tight elastic band around it so it can keep all your stuff in place. And it comes with a mini pen that works really well. I also like the size because it fits in a front or a back pocket and very easily into whatever purse I'm carrying. WALNEW has so many different types of passport holders to choose from. You're sure to find the one that is perfect for you and your personality, and that's my point of view.